Hey everyone, I've been trying to get a video. I was trying to get a video done yesterday, but I was really busy. I got some paperwork I need to do, but I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm going to do swatches of this. I never really went over this. That silver is amazing. It's got like purpley pink, like a duochrome to it. So I'm going to do swatches of this for you. And I got an unexpected gift card from my brother. This went down to half price. So I got it. And I'll probably take a couple of pictures with this out of the box. I want to definitely, on Wednesday, I'm going to do a video. And I wanted to do it with this. This is absolutely stunning. I don't even want to touch it because of the little embossed little roses are embossed in it. I don't know if you can tell. And then I got all the new good. Oh yeah, they have a new mascara. They have lipsticks, but I never got that. And then I got this is actually just a face powder. It's weird, but if you put the balm on your face, it'll highlight it and then put the powder on. So I know that I don't need this, but they have the Wet n Wild, which is probably the same thing as Kaleidoscope. This is the only purplish color. It's actually more burgundy than purple. I was sick again, so my throat might start like cracking. I was not really happy about this. I didn't read. I hate lavender, but it's the only one they had. I thought the lips were cute. So this is a lip mask. It's lavender, supposed to help you sleep. And then this is grapefruit mint. What the frig? And it says lip treatment. I don't know if it's a mask or if it's I don't know, or if it's a lip balm. But grapefruit mint, really, I'm an idiot. I didn't read the picture. They never have descriptions. So they came out with their blushes this year are circles, are round, and they came out with two new. They have two of their old colors and two new ones. So I figured I'd try this out. And this primer serum, so I'm going to try that out with their, supposedly this is a dewy foundation. Supposedly the other one wasn't dewy or whatever. So I just got like a beige, soft beige. Since I cover my face a lot when I'm out, my skin tone is just lighter. So we got, I got like a red and a purple. It's always what I get for this lip stain. Let's see how that works. They came out with some glossy lipsticks this time. So I got of course, the two reds and the two purpley colors. And they revamped their matte lipsticks and added a few new colors. So I really have all the matte lipsticks I wanted, but I did want to try Mauve Outta Here. I've always wanted to try that one. And then this one's a new color. I can't read it, but anyway. So I got like the mauve and the reddish colors. That's always how I do. And then I was looking for these. There was supposedly CVS put these out already, but none of mine did. So you got, these are blushes on one side and highlighters on the other. But these blushes are really shimmery, it looks like. So I'm looking forward to trying these. So I'll be trying these out on Wednesday when I'm able to make a video. So this is the brushes out of the pack. So, I wasn't going to get these. I contemplated it. They were half price, and I wasn't sure if I should get them, but I figured it's a gift card. Why not? They're really, really soft, but some people are saying that these are not worth 30 bucks. They're pretty. They got the little crystals in them, but they're saying it's just not worth it. That the brushes they made this year don't compare to the ones they did in previous years. So, just taking them out. One Woman's brushes, I was looking at reviews. They came all dilapidated. They were like just thrown in there. And they just were all funky. But anyway, these are the brushes that I'm probably going to use them too when I do my video on Wednesday. So this is the shader. Blending. Flat contour. These crystals are pretty. I mean, orange is not my color, but, you know, they are very pretty. This is a flat foundation. This is the large powder brush. The blush brush. The fan brush, which I use for highlighters. Some people don't like it because it just gives a light dusting, but for my age, that's fine. This is also a highlighter brush, which I like these. I've tried these for my highlighter too, and I like them. And then this is the fluffy blending. There's something fluffy about this. What the frig? This is a little bit more dense. And this is the concealer. Yeah, let's see, that's dense. So